Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Education One. In this video, we will discuss FTP File Transfer Protocol, SFTP Secure File Transfer Protocol, and TFTP Trivial File Transfer Protocol and how they work. Okay, if you are a beginner and looking to brush up your knowledge, this video is for you. Okay, let's start. Now, File Transfer Protocol. File transfer protocol is a standard network protocol that utilizes for transferring file between the server and a client computer over the internet. This protocol is primarily employed for downloading file from internet servers and it serves as an alternative to the HTTP protocol for both uploading and downloading file to and from the servers. Okay, now FTP serves a variety of important functions. Okay, like transferring large files, remote files management, automating file transfers, accessing public files. Okay, transferring large file means file transfer protocol facilitated the transfer of substantial files in a single operation, making it ideal for website hosting, server backups, and bulk file sharing. Okay, remote file management means user can manage file on a remote server by uploading, downloading, deleting, remaining, and copying them as a needed. Okay, automating file transfer means file transfer protocol serve as a effective protocol for executing file transfers through predefined script and text. Okay, accessing public files. Okay, anyone can download a certain files without requiring any permission regardless of their identity. Okay, now how does FTP server work? FTP utilize client server model, dividing responsibilities between the service providers, mean FTP servers, and a service user, means a client. Okay, the FTP servers. This is the repository for all files. Okay, user can engage with the server to upload in new files or downloading existing ones and perform various operations such as moving or deleting file to interact with the FTP server and FTP client is necessary. This application enables user to connect and communicate with the FTP server. FTP server to establish a connection. User must know the server's IP addresses or host name. Okay, after obtaining this information, they can connect to the server through the FTP client. Typically, users must log in with a user name and user password. Okay, to gain access to the server. FTP operates using two communication channels, control connection and data connection. Okay, FTP use a control connection to communicate control information such as passwords, okay, user identification command to modify the remote directory command to upload and retrieve files, etc. Okay, port 21 is used to establish the control connection. Okay, data connection. FTP use a data link to transfer the actual file on port number 20. A data connection is established. Since FTP use a different control link, the control information is sent out of band. Okay, certain protocols use the same TCP connection to send both the data and the header line for their request and response. They are claimed to transfer their control information in band as a result. Okay, now how many type of FTP are there? Okay, although FTP can be used for variety of activities. Okay, it fall into three main categories: FTP plain and FTPES and FTPS. Okay, FTP plane donate the standard file transfer protocol that operates without encryption. Okay, this typically utilizes port number 21 and is widely supported by most web browsers. Now, FTPS. FTP with secure socket layer encryption. This variation of the traditional FTP server incorporate SSL to enhance security. The key distinction between FTPS and a standard FTP lies in the added layer of security provided by FTPS, in which was the original form of encrypted FTP developed. Now, FTPES. FTPS refer to File Transfer Protocol over explicit transport layer security like TLS, SSL. Okay, with the E indicating explicit, the variant of FTP initiate communication on port number 21. Okay, similar to a standard FTP, but employs a specific commands to transition to a SSL and a TLS encrypted connection. Due to compatibility with firewalls, many users operate on FTP instead of FTPs. What is an FTP port? An FTP port serves as a communication point for a data transfer using the file transfer protocol. Okay, typically FTP operate on two main ports, control port and data port. Now, TFTP means Trivial File Transfer Protocol is a streamlined version of the FTP. It is primarily utilized for transferring in file between the network's devices, including computer and router. Okay, operating over the UDP protocol, TFTP is suitable for environments where reliability and authentication are not critical. Trivial file transfer protocol function as a straightforward file transfer mechanism, enabling clients to upload or download files from a remote host. Okay, one of its key applications is during the initial booting process of node in computer network, where they are retrieved file from a local file server. TFTP is favored for this purpose due to its ease of implementation. Okay, the protocol has seen limited standardization, resulting in various implementations that may not be compatible with one another. Okay. TFTP is a basic protocol that supports only fundamental read and write options, lacking features such as a user authentication, data encryption, or compression. Now, how does TFTP work? TFTP functions on a client server model, okay, and is specifically designed to fit into a small boot ROMs due to its compact nature. This efficient file transfer protocol utilizes both ASCII and binary mode to facilitate quick data transmission. Okay, the data is transferred in blocks of 512 bits through TFTP. This process of communication between the client and server. Okay, the client established a connection using port like 69 as TFTP operate over the UDP, user datagram protocol, for file transfer. After the connection is made, the client send a read request to download a file or write a request to upload a file to the server. File are sending packets or blocks. Okay, each packet is segmented into 512 bits. Okay, since TFTP does not ensure the file delivery via UDP, the server waits for an acknowledgement from the client to confirm that the file has been received. This acknowledgement is sent once the packet is successfully received. Okay, the server will only send the next bits packet after receiving this acknowledgement. Okay, this process continued until the last packet has been sent to the cloud. Okay, now the three modes of transfer. TFTP has three different mode of operation: read, write, data. In the read mode, the client requests a file that is already stored on the server. Okay, write mode, the client upload a new file to the server. And data mode. Data mode means the client receive a confirmation after the data transfer has been successfully completed. Now, SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. SFTP is an enhanced iteration of FTP that guarantees secure file transfers between organizations and computers. It is also referred to as secure SIM. How does SFTP work? SFTP operates by integrating the secure authentication and encryption capabilities of secure SAM. Okay, with the functionality required for the file transfer. This protocol enables user to safely upload, download, and manage file on a remote server through an encrypted connection. SFTP has emerged as a widely accepted standard for secure file transfer, enjoying board support across different operation systems and file transfer applications. SFTP has seen numerous upgrades and enhancements aimed at mitigating security risks and boosting performance. Recent iteration of Secure Cell and SFTP have introduced more robust encryption methods into improving authentication process and additional features. Okay, this protocol has established itself as a reliable solution for secure file transfer across various sectors, including finance, healthcare, and government. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome video. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.